So in this video, I will show you how to program the binomial theorem on your TI-84 calculator. So we start off with the formula, and the coefficient is 9 factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. So you're going to want to create a new program. I'm going to call mine Binomial Theorem. Binomial theory. That's all that fits. It's fine. It helps me remember, where it's at. I'm going to ask the calculator to ask me what my letters are. So I'm going to prompt by hitting program, write, prompt, alpha n, which is above the logarithm button, comma, alpha r. And you hit enter. Now, next I'm going to display the formula, and I will tell you why in a minute. So you hit program, you hit right click, and display. You're going to display our formula. So in this case, I'm going to hit alpha, and you open a quotation mark, which is above the plus sign. I will hit alpha twice to get a lowercase letter, and then I will hit n factorial. So factorial is under math, and you right click till you get here, and you're going to want to divide that by open parentheses alpha twice again, n minus lowercase r, close parentheses, and again factorial. And you're going to want to multiply that by the lowercase r factorial. And we finish it off by closing the parentheses, which was above the plus sign. And you have to hit alpha to do that. Enter. Now we're going to tell the calculator what to do with our numbers. So we hit open parentheses, capital N this time, and our factorial button, close the parentheses, divided by, we're going to want to open 3 parentheses. And here's where you're going to hit capital N minus capital R, close the parentheses, there's 1, and we're going to want the factorial of that, so we're going to close that parentheses, multiplied by R factorial. And then we finish by closing that parentheses, and you're going to want to store, which is right above the on button, into whatever letter you want. Alpha A is the closest. Well, it could be whatever letter you want except for N or R. And enter, and at the end, program, you're going to display alpha A. Perfect. So we quit that. Now, let's give an example. In this example, 10(4), the coefficient is 10 factorial over 4 factorial multiplied by 10 minus 4, which is 6. So we write down 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. 6 gets canceled out with this 6. So we're left with 4 times 3 times 2, or 4 factorial. The 4 and the 2 cancel the 8 out, and this 3, is divided into this 9. So in the end, you get 10 times 3 times 7, 10 times 3 times 7, which should give you 210. Now let's check our calculator. We go to Binomial Theorem, the program we created. N is 10 and R is 4, and it gives us our formula, and it should give us 210. Perfect. Now, why did I have you guys write the formula down? The reason why is because in some instances like in this problem, 198, the calculator actually multiplies the factorial of 100 times 99 times 98 times 97, and it divides it by this, 98 factorial times 2. So it's too high of a number that it won't let you. Let's try it. You want to hit program, and 100 times 98, or 98 is R, and it gives you this error, overflow. It gives too much information. So when you hit the quit button, it still gives you the formula here. In this case, you just plug in all the n's, 100 for n and 98 for r, and you do it you do it by hand. 50 times 99 times 98, these 98's cancel. You have 100 times 99 over 2 factorial, and this is divisible by 2, so you have 50 times 99, which gives you 4,950. So in this case, this didn't work in our calculator. However, it gave us the formula to figure it out. And of course, going into a test, you're going to want to show your work, so you're still going to want to do this, but this program is a really great way to double check your answers and to display the formula in case you were to forget, or in case the teacher doesn't allow you to have a cheat sheet, whatever. So I actually hope this helps, and I have another video showing the binomial expansion program, so feel free to watch that and rate it.